What is going on, everyone? The second tutorial of After Effects, you'll be learning the basics of masking. So without any wastage of time, let's go ahead. We will be using the default layout as usual, and let's create ourselves a new composition. Let's name this render. I would be keeping the background white for this tutorial. Let's keep it 10 seconds long, 30 fps, 1000 will be the width and the height. And yeah, let's create the composition. Press on OK. Okay, let's import a few files. Cool. And for the first task, you would be changing the background of this image of this sky to this sky. Okay, let's scale it down a bit. Yep. So you want the sky to look like this for the previous image. So you can do first this. Okay, so let's do it. First, let's mask out the current sky from this image. To do that, let's click on the pen tool and create a border over here on this where the sky and the land meets. Okay, and hold on the edge or the hand tool, like by holding on the spacebar, and then mask it out like this. Just pretty simple to do. Okay, now we already have a basic silhouette. If you see, it's not perfect, we'll make it perfect. Okay, now click on M to bring up the mask properties, and click on F to bring up the feather mask properties. Okay, let's feather this a bit so it fits well. Okay, I guess that's perfect. Okay, I guess the feather is too much. I guess well would be cool. Let's adjust the mask a bit. Really don't want that island like structures coming. Okay, I guess this is perfect. Okay, now let's work on this image. Right click here and go to transform, and let's flip it vertically. Let's scale this down a bit. V or the selection tool. Scale up a bit. Let's flip it again, I guess. And yeah, I guess this looks a bit better. Yeah, this one is better. Yeah, so you can like manipulate your images in After Effects like this. So now this is not only one type of mask. Like we created a mask using the pen tool, but there are other ways to do it too. So imagine if you want to see, if you want to create a circular mask or a rectangular mask. So let's use this image for this. Okay, so now if you have seen Discord profile pictures, they are circular in shape. In After Effects, we don't have a circular composition. So to check how your project would look, you can click on the ellipse tool by pressing Q on your keyboard multiple times and going on the ellipse tool, and then make sure you have selected the image you want to mask out, and then double click over here. So if you see that it gets masked in a particular shape. Now if you want it to be another shape, like let's like a star, so just double click over here and it becomes star. So you can just invert the mask, or you can increase the size of the mask. You can do anything like feather it. Press F to feather the mask. You can change the blending mode of the mask to subtract. It's up to you. And this is the basics of masking. And we will be going through other stuff in the future tutorial like puppeting and stuff. So we hope you follow the channel and subscribe. Thank you.